Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is Twist and Stretch Yoga. Let's get started. Sit nice and tall. Inhale and exhale. Turn your body to your left. Inhale to lengthen spine from crown to the tailbone. Exhale, open your chest. Start shifting your breath from regular breath, breathing, to the ujjayi breath. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Same length. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Look straight back to center. Okay, now let's change your legs. Inhale, nice and tall. Exhale, start twisting your upper body from belly button to the top. Keep your shoulder blades together. And open your chest, widen your collarbones. Create space as you inhale. And exhale, soften your shoulders. Keep cultivating ujjayi breath, ujjayi pranayama. And inhale, look straight. Exhale, back to center. Okay, let's take tabletop pose. Open your knees about your hip distance, palm underneath your shoulders. And from here, so let's do some twist. Inhale, left arm up. And exhale, thread through needle. From here, and rest your forehead. No. And twist. And breathe. Make sure to keep your hip as square as possible. And just twist your upper body from belly button to the top. Okay, reach your fingers so you can get maximum stretch and twist. And inhale, exhale, back to center. Inhale, right arm up and exhale. Thread through the needle and reach your fingertips to the side and head rest on the mat. And make sure to keep your hips as square as possible. And always noticing, observing your breath. Tuning your intention to your breath. And just stay there. And inhale, next exhale, release back to center. Let's take downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. And today, because of the twist and stretch theme, inhale and exhale. Use your right hand to grab outside of your left leg anywhere. And open your chest to the side. Get the maximum stretch and twist. Make sure to plant your heels down. Keep your hips square. And twist your upper body from belly button to the top. Smile. Open up your chest. And inhale, exhale, back to center. Let's do the opposite side. Inhale, exhale, use your left hand to grab somewhere outside of your right leg. And keep your hips square, plant your heels down, open your chest to the side. And don't forget Ujjayi breath. Breathing through the nose, out through the nose. And inhale, exhale, back to center. Inhale, right leg up. And exhale, knee to opposite elbow. Inhale, kick up. Exhale, twist. Inhale, kick up. Exhale to the opposite elbow. Inhale, up. Exhale, knee to elbow. One time, one more time. Inhale. And exhale. Now, from here, step in. From here, so let's bring your back knee and toes straight down. And left palm planting down. With your right hand, hug your knee. Inhale, make sure tailbone to the crown, one line. Make sure to keep your navel to the spine. And exhale, start belly button to top. Stretch and twist. Breathe. Breathing for 2. Breathing for 3. 4. And 5. And from here, look straight. And bring back knee up and toes up. And inhale, up. And hands down. Okay, so now both knees straight. And keep hip square. Inhale, left arm stretch out. Exhale, twist your upper body from belly button. And slowly bring your left hand down. And if you want to have some yoga block, feel free to do so. And you can keep your right hand on the hips, or maybe stretch out toward the sky and gaze either to the side, or you are flexible enough and you want to have more challenge, you can look toward the ceiling. Make sure back heel don't lift up, pressing down. 3. And 4, forehead higher than your chin. And 5, hands back to hips, look straight, and swing your arms up and down. Okay, now bring both palms down, bend your knee to plank. Inhale, exhale, slowly hug your elbows, chaturanga, upper facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Okay, let's do the other side. Inhale, left leg swing up. And knee to opposite elbow. Kick up. And to the elbow. Kick up. And knee to elbow. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale, swing up. Exhale, knee to opposite elbow. Inhale up and step between your hands. And back knee, back toes down. Plant your right palm. With your left, hug your knee. Inhale, tailbone to crown one line. Exhale from belly button to the top, twisting. You can stay looking at to the side, or if you want to have more deeper twist, revolve. Look toward the ceiling and make sure don't open up your chin like this. Tuck your chin, forehead higher than your chin to align your neck and also strengthen your neck. Breathe, always walk on pranayama. And breathe in for 4. And breathe in for 5. Look straight. And tuck your back toes and up. Hands on your hip. Hip square. And inhale, right arm up. Exhale, start twisting from belly button to the top. And gently like a feather, bring your right hand down on the mat or yoga block. And you can keep your left hand on the hip like this. Or if you want, stretch out toward the sky. Make sure don't lift out back heel pressing down, plant down very firmly, strongly. And either gaze toward the side or maybe toward the ceiling. Make sure to keep your forehead higher than your chin. And front kneecap, don't loosen up. Front kneecap lifting up. Check your back heel and outer edge of back foot down. Front toe pressing down very firmly. Breathing for 4 and breathing for 5. Now, hands on your hip, gaze down and up. Now, pedal your hands from downward to plank and exhale, chaturanga, inhale, upper facing dog. And exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Let's take 5 breaths here. And let's do another twist. Inhale. This time, bring your heels, both heels to your right. And look under armpit. Now inhale on your toes very high. Exhale both heels down to your left and look to your right. Inhale on your toes. Slowly bring your heels down. Okay, now let's take child pose. Balasana, knees open, toes touch. Sit on your heels. And from here, right arm thread through the needle underneath your left armpit. Reach out and your head rest. And stretch out opposite arm, left arm stretch. And soften your gaze or even close your eyes. Again, bring your focus intention to your pranayama, your breath. Now, inhale, exhale, back to center. Inhale, thread through the needle, left arm reaching to your right, head rest on the mat. And use your right arm as a support. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Keep breathing. And soften all key muscles. Inhale. Exhale back to center. Let's find your way to lay down on your back. And hook right foot over your left knee. Bring your both knees to your right. Look to your left. Open up your shoulders. Open up your chest. And breathe. Keep your shoulder blades flat and down. Wide and down. Try to feel the earth through your back. Shoulders melting down to the floor. Knee more relaxed and deeply dropping down to the floor as well. Inhale, back to center. And switch. Exhale, drop your knee to your left. Look to your right. Keep your shoulder blades down away from ears. And soften your gaze, soften your forehead, soften your jaws, soften your cheeks. Relax your shoulders, arms, legs. Inhale, look straight. Exhale, all the way back to center. And stretch everything out. And let's take final pose of Shavasana. Inhale. Open your mouth, sigh out. Let it go. Let it be. This sequence is great to stretch your body, but it will also promote healthy digestion and cleansing. I recommend you do it on a regular basis. Also, check out my other videos in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to my channel to select the bell option to get notified of my future episodes. See you soon!